Guess what I get to do today? 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, another cold startup of the old girl. Let's just see what's gonna happen. Let's close the door so that. Alright. Throttle's not stuck. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yep. Yep. This is probably gonna be one of those cracker anchor videos. Sit here, pump the crap out of it. Come on. Yep, there she goes. She's going. She's trying. Crank. Save my battery. Pump it. There she goes. She's going. Yeah, see? She's trying to go. She's trying. Go ahead and set this on the bumper here. Oh, hold on. I gotta figure out what's the best camera angle for this startup. There's just no other camera angle that I have. It's just where I had it. See, she'll stay running this time. Come on. She's running. Woohoo! Oh, if I didn't do that, she would stay running. Hold on, I gotta do something though. She got going, she fired. Oh, come on, old girl. Gotta hurry up because these batteries in this camera are not gonna last very long. Come on, old girl. She's running. And 8 degrees. Who said you can't get an old Chevy running 8 degrees? I got it running that one day. True dual. She's going. She's trying.